In this video, I will show you how to play Blood Oath 3 Kingdoms on PC. Now, even though Blood Oath 3 Kingdoms is an Android-based game, it's absolutely possible to play this on PC or even a Mac with the BlueStacks app player. BlueStacks is an Android emulator, so what that effectively allows you to do is play different Android games on your PC or Mac. To get started, what you want to do is come below this video, and in the video description you're going to find the download link. Give that a click and that's going to take you to a website like this. From here you want to click the blue button here which says play Blood Oath 3 Kingdoms on PC. Now what that's going to do is download the BlueStacks installer. Once that's downloaded you can give it a click and then just run through the steps to download and install BlueStacks on your PC. Once BlueStacks has finished installing, click the blue launch button, and what that's going to do is launch BlueStacks on your PC or Mac, and it's going to take you directly to the installation page for Blood Oath 3 Kingdoms. From here you're going to see a install from Google Play button. Give that a click, and what that's going to do is take you to a page like this. So from here, just simply click the blue install button. As you can see, that's going to start downloading and installing Blood Oath 3 Kingdoms, so you can play that using the BlueStacks app player. So here we are on the login screen. What you can do is log in with your YOLO AI, or you can log in with Google or Apple, whichever method you prefer. For this example, I'm just going to log in with my Google account, so that when I come off and play it on my phone, I'm not going to lose any of my saved progress. So what I'm going to do is just jump into the game, just to show you how this plays on BlueStacks and why I would recommend it to play Android games on your PC or Mac. Now you can see from the opening animations that everything is really smooth, really sharp, and it's just a more immersive experience playing on PC. All the games are pre-mapped for your keyboard and mouse, and to view the controls, if you come to the menu on the right, click onto this orange keyboard icon where it says game controls. You can toggle the game controls on. As you can see, I'm currently using my keyboard and mouse to actually type, as you can see, and click around. And what I'm going to do is just go ahead, jump into the game. So let's click onto confirm. And here we are in the game itself. So I'm just going to skip through so you can see how the actual gameplay is. So you can see I'm clicking around now to control the game, and you can see just how great it runs on BlueStacks. It runs really fast, really smooth. The pictures and colors, everything is just so sharp. Of course, you can make the screen bigger, and you can enter full screen mode as well, just like this. And as you can see, it's just a really great way to play Android games on your PC or Mac. So that is how to play Blood Oath 3 Kingdoms on PC. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more gaming and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.